grade 6 section Lakshmi Prasad with my friends Bipin Thapa, Sabda Shrestha, Sachin Lama and Somek Bora for our short presentation on the topic of Introduction to Computer. So let's start. So first we need to know what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine that helps us work faster. It means that a computers need electricity to work and also help us to do our work faster, which saves time. It can store, process and give information. It means that it can store a large amount of data and also give information according to the user's need. We use computers at home, school, hospitals and banks for several reasons. For example, playing games, studying, watching movies and online shopping and many more. So now at the conclusion, why computers are useful? So computers are useful because they are fast. It means that computers do tasks very quickly and helps us to save our time, and stores data. They keep a lot of photos and files and which they save in the storage devices. And for fun, we use computer for playing games, learning new things and also to teach something new to our friends. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over this another stage to my friend Bipin Thapa for further information. Thank you.
Thank you. Now to introduce the computer. Now I will continue this presentation. Definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data, processes it and store it and give us output as information. It means a computer is an electronic device that works through electricity and accept data, processing, store it like documents, files and presentation etc. and give us output as information. Principle of computer: input, process, output. It means when we input our raw data through keyboard and mouse to the computer, it will process with the help of processing hardware to CPU and it gives us output as a result. IPO cycle. How a computer works. One number. Input, give data to computer. Example, keyboard, mouse, microphone. It means giving that it gives data to the computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, microphone, etc. Second, process. The computer think and calculate. This CPU does work. It means the computer will think and calculate. This CPU does the work. Third, output. The computer show result. Example, monitor, printer, speaker. It means the computer will show the result. For example, monitor, printer, speaker. Thank you. Now I will hand over this presentation to my friend Sabda Shrestha.
Thank you Bipin for giving me the stage. Now I would like to continue this presentation. I like to talk about IPO diagram. IPO diagram has mainly three features. They are input, process and output. The first input as a keyboard and mouse which gives the raw data to the processing devices. CPU, the brain. CPU processes the data and gives it to the output devices like monitor and printer, as you can see here. Now I would like to talk about features. I will talk about only two features. They are speed and accuracy. Speed. The computers work very fast. They finish big tasks quickly. It is time to say that computers work very fast and they finish their tasks very quickly. And now I would like to talk about accuracy. If the input is correct, the computer gives correct results. It is time to say that if we give the correct input to the CPU, it will also give us the correct result. Using this, we can know that if we give wrong input, it will also give wrong output, which we call garbage in, garbage out. So give good input and the computer will help you well. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over this stage to my friend Sachin Lama to continue this presentation.
Thank you, Sabda, for introducing me. Now I would like to continue this presentation. Storage and diligence. These are features of the computer. Storage. Computer keeps thousands of photos, videos and files safely. Diligence. Computer never get tired and they can work 24 hours. They help us save things and keep working without any breaks. Versatility. It is also a feature. Versatility means it can do multiple tasks at the same study, learn new things and do homework online. Drawing, making cool arts using drawing app. Music, listen to or create song. Games, playing fun and learning games. Banking, people use computer to pay and manage money. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over this stage to my friend Samyak Gohara and continue this presentation.
Thank you, Sachit Lama. Now I will continue this presentation. Now I will talk about the limitations of computer. A computer cannot think by itself. It needs raw data and instructions. A computer cannot decide between two choices. It needs instruction for that. A computer has no feelings, meaning it doesn't feel happiness or sadness. Depends on instructions. Without instructions, the computer cannot work. Needs electricity. Without electricity, the computer cannot even start on. Now I will talk about the application areas of computer. A computer is used in online sector for online learning, for taking smart classes, and for preparing notes for examination. It is also used for preparing the exam questions and the results of students. A computer is used in the medical sectors for keeping the patient's records, for example, their name, their age, their gender, etc. It is also used for online consultation between the doctor and the patient, and it is also used for medicine research. A computer is used in industries to control the machines and to design products and to increase production and to manage the inventory and sales of a product. A computer is used in home for taking online classes, for entertainment, for example, playing games, for drawing, etc. A computer is used in banks for ATM services, for withdrawing money and depositing money, and etc.